So guys, if you watch my video, one of my video 3 days ago, I show you guys one of my squash video. I'm gonna leave at the end of the video. I'm gonna leave the link right there too. Basically, I didn't have any squash growing from it. Everything was just dying. It was rotten and it was soft, and it had nothing to do with pollinating because I had a lot of bees. I have a lot of bees in my garden, and in Long Island here, guys, we have a lot of bees, and they get to work, guys. I'm gonna show you guys after 3 days what I did in that video. I'm gonna show you from not having no squash that I harvest the one squash in that video 3 days ago, guys. My squash plant runs out to the left, runs out to the right, so it's split in two. So if you guys remember the last video recap, all my squash was dying, everything was dying, and I finally was able to harvest one squash. So 3 days later, after my massive pruning, nutrition and water, I was able to gain another monster. Oh, my bee just passed by there. Another monster squash over there on the left. You come to the right and I have another massive squash, guys. Whatever I did, my pruning and obviously enriching up your soil, give your plant organic food and water twice a day if it's hot. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna go from no squash to serious squash in 3 days. Oh, maybe less than. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Today we're gonna harvest these squash, and I'm gonna have the kids help me out to harvest it because I have my daughter Grace and my son Jax today. These guys are big gardener right here. They're learning everything about gardening. I'm teaching them every single thing. So when they're ready, they'll be planting and doing their own stuff. My daughter actually walks around and cut out some of my tomatoes and stuff already. So, and then she cuts out some other stuff and she goes, "Look, Daddy," and I'm like, "They were not ready yet." Before pruning, before cutting my squash out, my daughter's gonna cut it out. This big giant leaf, another leaf that's coming right here. As you can see, once I cut this, the veggies just continue over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and prune that up, so we get that out of the way. Exactly where she's gonna cut. So how to prune a squash? Right on the tip right here, guys. Do not get to your main stem, because if you cut that, you're gonna lose a lot. So you do not want to do that. Like that? Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. Wait. We gotta cut more. And step back. Bring it forward. Watch yourself. Careful. There's spikes. Whoa! Stand back. Let Daddy see. Oh, all right. You don't want to just yank that out. Okay, show Daddy. Hold on, Jax. Here. Hold on 1 second. Show Daddy. Grace. Whoa! So that's our first one. So Jax is gonna cut the second one, guys. Squeeze it together. 2 hands. Keep cutting. All right. So we're gonna do this together. All right. Daddy's gonna. All right, Jax. Can you pick it up? You want Daddy help? All right. Show Daddy, Jax. Whoa! Do you guys love it? Yeah. Jax, do you love it? Yeah. Show me the squash. Grace, let's see your squash. Oh my God. Kids are having a blast. They love to harvest. So guys, check out my last video and see what I did. And never have another squash problem, guys. Don't lose your squash or zucchini. It's the same thing. So you apply it to the squash plant or zucchini plant, and your plant will produce more in less time. So this guys is one of the fastest way to get more out of your plant. You get into max production from your plant, guys. Don't forget to give thumbs up, guys, and also smash that subscribe button, guys. Thank you for watching.